Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the trellis stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the single crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4 plus 2. I have already made 26 chains on my hook. To start row 1, you're going to make 1 single crochet into the 6th chain from your hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 3 chains. Into the next one, make a single crochet. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 3 chains. Into the next one, make a single crochet. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 3 chains. Into the next one, make a single crochet. Make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 3 chains. Into the next one, make a single crochet. Make 5 chains. You're going to have 4 chains left in your row. Skip 3. Into the last one, make a single crochet. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 5 chains. Into this first open space made from these previous 5 chains, make a single crochet. You're now going to start repeating the sequence from our last row. Make 5 chains. You're going to skip to the next open space and make a single crochet. Make 5 chains. Skip to the next open space, make a single crochet. Make 5 chains. Skip to the next open space and make a single crochet. Make 5 chains. Skip to the next open space and make a single crochet. Make 5 chains. Skip to the last open space on your row and make a single crochet. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the trellis stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.